As we get closer to Google's August 13 event, more leaks about the Pixel Watch 3 are coming out. A new video shows the watch's hardware and features and confirms that the charger will be the same as before. The Pixel Watch 3 is expected to have slimmer bezels, a larger 45mm size, and improved Fitbit features, with a special focus on running. A new video from Android Headlines gives a detailed look at the Pixel Watch 3, using the same music from previous Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro Fold leaks. The video showcases the smartwatch's updated display bezels and compares the 41mm and 45mm sizes. While there aren't many new details, it offers the clearest view of the watch's hardware and size differences so far. The video also shows how updated apps are taking advantage of the Pixel Watch 3's larger size. Although the video doesn't mention battery life improvements, Google highlights that the display is much brighter. The Pixel Watch 3 features a new OLED display with a peak brightness of 2000 nits. As for the charger, it's staying the same as last year, using the same 4-pin system from the Pixel Watch 2 and previous Fitbits. This is good news because many users found the switch from wireless charging on the first Pixel Watch to the pin-based system on the Watch 2 frustrating. It's great that Google is sticking with the same system now. The video also shows off some new running features, like real-time advice, ground contact time, and stride length. Besides the physical updates, a few new wellness features were also mentioned. The Pixel Watch 3 includes new features like cardio load, morning brief, and real-time coaching to help you run your best. It has the same 24-hour battery life as the previous model, but charges 20% faster. The prices are expected to be $349 for the 41mm GPS-only model and $399 for the 45mm GPS model. The cellular version will cost an extra $100. What do you think about these changes to the Pixel Watch 3? Do they make it a better upgrade from the original Pixel Watch compared to the Pixel Watch 2? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one, and until then, take care.